Well, I got this little socket ratchet here. It was a nice one back in the day, I believe. Hasn't rusted, had it forever. The problem is it's slipping. It doesn't work, doesn't do its function anymore. And so you put a socket on there and try to do it, and it won't catch. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it. So I'm gonna pop these little 2 screws off right there. I've never done this before, but I'll see what I can find out. If anything, it'll be like a what's inside type of video, and then I'll scrap it. But I'm gonna take it apart and see. Okay, I got those 2 parts out. Didn't seem to do anything that I could see. So I think I need to go for that one now. Well, this just turned into a what's inside video because I pulled that out and I dropped it and I can't find it. There's a screw that went in there, so we're just gonna see what's inside this thing. Oh wow, it's kind of cool. Yeah, that's just the body of it right. Trying to see if maybe this piece is bad or busted is why it's not working. Okay, yeah, this is the piece that's bad. So it's got some wear on it. So this needs to be replaced. All the pieces, and I'm not gonna do it. I can get a 1/4-inch drive for fairly cheap. I thought I'd give it a try just to see if maybe there was something I could do, but yeah, if I was really attached to it. See, this piece is good still. Kind of interesting to see what's inside this. I've never seen what's inside a ratchet before, at least this type. I'm sure they're all probably a little bit different, but that's the defective piece there. Kind of see some wear right there, so it's not catching anymore. That's why it's doing what it's doing. So it's old. I don't even know what you would call this if I was to order a new one. So hate to scrap stuff, hate to waste stuff, but still cool to see what's inside this Mac 1/4-inch drive ratchet. Not too many pieces, really. All right, that is what is inside, and I'm not repairing it. Turn this into some metal art of some sort. All right, thanks for watching.